how you can find a winning product. This applies for e-commerce, dropshipping stores, Amazon FBA, and more. If you guys are looking for a winning product or you're just not really sure what you want to start selling, I'm going to show you guys how you can find a product to sell and how you're going to grow your business from there. So if you guys don't already know me, my name is Isabella. I own 2 six-figure businesses online, and now I'm here to teach you how you can too. I personally have an e-commerce store and I do not dropship anymore. But nonetheless, you can still make money from dropshipping, which is why I wanted to include dropshipping in the video today. So me personally, I sell lip gloss and accessories. What inspired me to do that was really just scrolling through TikTok and seeing what people's interests were. I make the lip gloss myself, but the cute accessories I source and manufacture. If you want to find out how we manufacture our own products to stand out, I have a video about that right here. But if you're just starting out, I understand that you're not willing to order a bunch in bulk and you're not ready to really manufacture and just go to those links yet. Even though it can be really affordable to manufacture your own product, I understand if you're just not ready for that yet. So let's get right into this video. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go on aliexpress.com, sign in or make an account if you haven't already, it's free. Then you're gonna go to My AliExpress. It's gonna bring you to this page. Then you're gonna click on Dropshipping Center. If you don't already have that, you can actually just type it in right in the search bar and it will bring up dropshipping products as well. I'm not saying you're going to dropship these products. If you're not a dropshipper, this is also just how you're going to see what products are selling. Then you're gonna click Find Products to Sell. So this page is going to show you exactly like where you can ship your products from, and you can search for any product here. The reason why I like this is because it provides actual analytics of how many orders or how many things that it's actually selling every day and so on and so forth. So as you guys can see, this smartwatch has over 1,700 orders. Meaning that it's selling really well or someone's really promoting it well. You can see down here, it's a Bluetooth earphones. Look how many orders they have placed, 21,000 orders. So you can see this is another product that somebody already kind of has taken and is now drop shipping. So it's just cool to look at these numbers to get ideas, and you guys can, like, obviously if you want to see it closer, the image closer, you can just click on the actual image itself and it will take you to the product listing so you can kind of just check out. But here's the problem with drop shipping. Again, I don't know how this person is making a good connection with their customers, because if you notice down here, it says free shipping and the product is very cheap, but look at that shipping time, you guys, 30 to 50 days. Who is going to wait 30 to 50 days for a shipment? Even if you have it in the bolded terms, may take 30 to 50 days. They're going to be calling their bank asking for their money back, which is also why I have problems with dropshipping. But I'm going to show you guys today what I have just found this morning that I really do support. So I'm going to show you guys that in a second. So let's go back to that page. So that is just something to keep in mind, is the shipping times. People expect their product fast. They don't want to wait 30 to 50 days to receive their product with the processing time. It doesn't even include the processing time. It's just not a good thing to do. But obviously they are making their orders. So they've had over 3,000 orders for those sunglasses. So I would love to see how they handle their customer service. So anyways, you guys, we're going to go back now to our profile on AliExpress, because I just want to bring you back to that page that I found earlier. So if you guys are unfamiliar with dropshipping, basically what you're going to do is you're going to showcase this product on your own website. Then the buyer is going to buy that item from your website, and you're going to just buy it from this AliExpress listing and ship it directly to them. You're basically the middleman. You're sending this product directly to them, so you do not have to package and ship it yourself. And of course, if you have it in your budget and you want to start that e-commerce business right away and just kind of skip the whole drop shipping step, you can basically put your logo on this, you can customize the box, and you can do that through contacting the seller directly. Then you'll be able to order in bulk and get better deals because they know that you're going to keep coming to them for the same product sales. Because remember, those sellers are making money too. So the more that you sell for them, they're also making that money when they'll give you more deals. So then you will receive more profit. Remember, add value to the customer. That's key. Remember, what is the value that you're adding to the customer? To always have it in your mind that you are growing your business. This is not a get rich quick money scheme. So now that we're back on the main page, we're going to go to I'm shopping for, and we're going to just type in drop shipping 2021 best-selling products. So let's look and see what's on this list. I kind of like this setup better because I'm actually able to see the pictures bigger. I like to see how many orders people were getting with those other products on the other page, but I'm going to show you guys why I love this page instead. So if you go here, you're going to click ships from the United States. So if you're in the United States, you're going to click ships from the United States, which means that they have fulfillment centers in the United States that are able to ship these products from like California to another state. So it's going to be quick. So then you're going to look in here and you're going to just check out. So for example, this watch, let's see the shipping time on this watch. So please select the country you want to ship from. You're going to click United States. And this is a product that I would not recommend selling because look at the delivered by. It's actually, today is June the 16th. So that means it's going to take a full month for the customer to get their products. No. So I'm going to say no to that product. So I would not recommend that product. So let's get rid of that. You basically have to just like go through. So here's a cute doggy bed. Let's check out the doggy bed and see what the shipping time is on the doggy bed. So it's like a cooling bed. That's cool. Like I haven't really seen this before. Make sure that we check Amazon too to make sure this is not an item that is easily able to be found. So I always recommend Googling the item too before like actually deciding to sell the item. Well, obviously they have this United States option, and if you look down here, the estimated delivery time is 4 to 13 days. Yes. That's what we want to see. So if you find a product that is between 4 to 13 days, that is a product that you can consider. So first check, done. So right away, within 5 minutes or so, we have found a product that could potentially be a winning product. But wait, this is something that a lot of people don't quite understand. How I feel about things is it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it and how you promote it. And if you're someone that's getting into dropshipping, you might be someone that you don't want to just dump a bunch of money into the store or business. So you want to make sure that you can come up with something that you can do to market this business yourself. You guys know I took my e-commerce business to a 6-figure earning business in less than a year. And I did that all through the power of TikTok alone. I never paid anybody for promotion, never paid for ads, none of that. So if you guys want to see how I did that in less than a year on TikTok myself, just posting 2 to 3 videos a week, I have a video of that right here. So if you have a dog, why would you sell this product? Because you don't have a dog, or you don't have someone that has a dog to take videos of this product and incorporate this product in your everyday life in order to share it with others. Sure, you can pay for overpriced Facebook ads, but for me personally, I just was always so afraid of dumping so much money into a project without really knowing where it's going to go. So me personally, having a dog, I would say, okay, like we could try this out. So obviously I'm not going to spend a bunch of money on a Shopify store. I'm going to go ahead and make a store for free, which I have a video about right here, that you can test out 5 products, which obviously like if you're kind of focusing in on just like a few products, dropshipping store anyways, you'll just have a few products, so that's perfect. Now that we know that this seller has fulfillment centers in the United States and ships USPS, which means you will get a USPS tracking number, and will just make everything seem more legitimate to the customer that's already kind of questioning, do I know this company? When they get that USPS tracking number, that is huge. That's something that's very important. So let's go ahead and scroll down to the store. So they have good feedback, so let's go ahead and click Visit Store. And we can check out what they have in this store. It seems like they have a lot of different things so far. So it's really important to find stores like this to just, because you know that their shipping is fast and that they have fulfillment centers in the United States. So this is another great way to find other products in this store. So a really cute one, so I saw this wall sticker product. And if you scroll down, they have just a bunch of cool things for walls. These glowy butterflies are really popular in teenagers and kids and even some adults. So this is something that I would personally sell if I decided to open a dropshipping store and market it through TikTok, because we all know there's a lot of teens and younger adults and children on TikTok. Let's just see how fast the shipping is. Again, 4 to 13 days for the shipping on this. Perfect. And it's 70 cents. So even if you sell these for $5 and you make a really bomb video of it on TikTok, you're gonna get tons of sales. And you can even price them a little higher, and if it does well, then you can take that business and make it your own and buy it in bulk for even cheaper. So obviously when you're ready to take your business to the next level, you will then go to Alibaba, which I include in my how to manufacture your own products video, because then if you have a really cool idea for different kinds of glow stickers or accessories for their room in this case, you can manufacture your own and stand out among the rest, and your products will never be found or never be called out like, oh, you get your products from AliExpress or any of that. So when you find that winning product, first thing that you're going to do is you're going to start your website. Then you are going to start a TikTok account. Then you're going to order one for yourself to see how it looks. Then you're going to take your own video. So for example, if you have the dog with the dog bed, you're going to show your dog with the dog bed, or you're going to show the glowy lights in your friend's room or your room, or you're just going to dress this item up. You need to have social proof, and you need to show other people what this looks like. Do not use the Chinese videos that are on these websites available to you, because it just looks fake. Then you can start to get creative with how you're showcasing these products on TikTok. That's the fun part. You're gonna keep on posting until one of those TikToks go viral. I just started a new account and I've already grown it to 40,000 followers in less than a month, so I know you can too. So if you're someone that's just starting out and you don't have a lot in your budget to put down, that is why I would recommend dropshipping, only because it just kind of puts you on your feet. And then you can also test out products like these to see if this is something that you want to jump into business to long term. Me personally, I had a lot of experience with online businesses, which is why I decided to manufacture my products instead of just drop shipping or taking products that were already made. But I totally understand if you're just starting out like I did when I was 17 to test out different products and open a dropshipping store just to see and kind of test the waters until you're ready to make that big investment to make it your own brand. And when I say making it your own brand, that does not mean that you have to start packaging and shipping like we do. No, you actually do not have to do that. You can reach out to these sellers on Alibaba and find these products in bulk, or even reach out to the people that even the sellers on AliExpress to get that contact to sellers on Alibaba, or just maybe they may not even be on Alibaba. You're gonna get that contact and you're gonna talk to the company, and maybe for 20 cents more, they're going to add your logo to the box, or they're going to package them in a pink package. They can do things if you negotiate with them to personalize your brand, then it's all passive income. There's so many avenues that you can take, and with the power of the internet, we have access to it all. There's no reason why you should be working a 9 to 5. If you're already here on this video, that means that you're ready to take your life to the next level. So don't give up. My thing is just be original and try to see what other people are doing, but do not try to replicate exactly what they're doing. It will fail. In order for things to last, you have to go into these decisions being honest, which is also why I don't necessarily recommend dropshipping for a long-term business model. I hope this video helped you to decide what products you're thinking about selling, or to help you and guide you to finding the right products. If you have any other questions about this video, comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them in my next video. Smash that like and subscribe button because it really helps me out in continuing to do these videos for you guys. Good luck with all of your businesses, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys!